Good love and good brilliance, beautiful illuminators and way showers. Envelop yourself now in the sound of color. Aliven your chakras and breathe in the light. Breathe in the light codes of the setting sun. Miasotoshmiela katea. Nashima lianonia roku taishi se nuturesela. Bekora se rosuna lala lumba koshnora se. Pakora sema. Eluturasima kalungwarshiara. Elimila alukwani. Hamila si belungurisa belahala ke tarasanama. Alakila tase. Simini alarana keteara sato. Akalea nanana. Inimalati ki etashnara saya kalani. Feel the root chakra penetrating the earth. The red grounding, the orange of the sacral chakra. Reminding you of your power and that you are safe. In the yellow solar plexus, the sun that burns bright and hot within you. The place inside you where you shine, where your knowing is. Feel it's expanding. As the greens and the emerald blues open your heart. Feeling the love, the unconditional love and support. From those around you that you see and the unseen. And the blue of the water and the sky as it opens. Your throat chakra. Allowing you to speak this knowing, this truth within you. Opening your throat so that you may sing your unique, universal chord in the song, the harmonic symphony. In the library of life, the tree of life. Sing to the top of your lungs and fly as you feel the freedom of the blue expanding within you. Hekaya Nayawa. Feel it opening. Feel it opening. As the blue opens to the violet flame within you. The violet connection. Feel purple, violet, light, swirling, opening. Yasoto Shmila Teama. Eka Tinyala Mia Rakotosi Hayama Seta Sinana Kaloko. Vinu Miala La Ramaya Ketea Sianaiwa Kate. Feel the sounds of color expanding within you as your chakras empower and enliven and enlighten your DNA. Raise your awareness above the violet flame and feel your crystalline consciousness. As you ground your energy through and around Gaia and feel the bursts of energy surrounding you in every direction. You are the Vesica Pisces. 2 circles intertwining, becoming united with the ground, the earth, the air, the fire, the water, and the ethers. Feel the blue waters flowing through you easily as you know and speak your truth and allow it to ground you, give you confidence, clarity, courage. Creativity. As you expand, you create, and you want to create and create and create and share your joy. Feel your crown tingling and opening and touching the cosmos. As you send your energy bursting forward like fireworks, like brilliant, bright sparkles of fire and light and wisdom and knowing and sharing your creation. Breathe in the sounds of color and allow them to swirl around you and envelop you in a vortex of purity and connection, connecting you to the earth and the ethers, the cosmos, the realms of possibilities, the parallel realities that are all you. For as you search your soul, you are soul searching, you are seeking the wisdom from your souls. And the oversouls of those souls, they take you to the one light, the one breath. Take this into your awareness as you sleep. As you settle into yourself. Milamia no akala se hanayala kamayaro sono. Te pelea sanakera sani payakata sheto akalana. Shemiala te amal soto seaka. Minaya hale asetu. Naya Selana Yeshe Sonaya Leha Senaya Lanahaya Hela Shesalalete Mia Sotoshimia Wahalia Nonoa Kalakesa Sasana Malake. Feel the sound of color penetrating you, healing the cracks and crevices, allowing the light to penetrate the color, to infuse you with energy and knowing and love. For you are a prism, you are a light body. Mia Sotoshnira, you are feeding your light body. Nenaya halenuha sehenaya sena shahela sanahe se salah. This is the place of home, the place of pure home, comfort, enveloped in the love of light. Feel the Divine Mother and Father enrapturing you in love and light and healing, kissing your brow, whispering to you, singing you a lullaby as you begin to slumber and remember your greatness. Forgetting. Forgetting and remembering. You came here to forget that you may have the splendor of remembering your greatness. You meet with this greatness in your sleep as you carry these light codes with you and allow these languages of the lights to bring you healing and knowing and expansion and empowerment. For they last not just moments, but a lifetime. Miastotoshniabala setasniabagaleha, setosamiala katishanariander sablayandar soko shara, semiala kirasaniala kateshanata balandi, tikuleana sabashora setarasi, semila kalandir sawa kalusa. Mesotoshniara kolandi sibala. Power is soft and is strong. It is quiet and serene and calm. It is sure and certain. This is you. The real you that you've forgotten and that you came to recollect, put back together. Siamo sotoshia malakieta si halakandira soma la shoka te meilana liana kalanda soba la shi eta saniwa la candira la malora shaga setosiba sanira alanda abura shi semila hilana kalandi sibi alusa bestishnara sapalundara alutira alungoya. Mesoshania satase, sikia. And we are greeted and kissed by the new moon Mia sotoshniarwa leasa. Sekora si maleandarasawa alokosha. E pasiha. See the prism. Feel the codes of light open. Nyasotoshnira walandi sanisa. Accepting new information as you slumber. Accepting new understandings, taking you to new places, new spaces within you, new to you in this awareness. Tiashonasi bilanea, come back home to all that you are. Be grounded in this knowing of your pure light and your pure perfection. Ask your questions. They are always answered. All that you need, you are given. All that you believe, that you are, is. Mia sotoshniaba eletosi. Se maleata tishiana malaka tarisia balonda risia balonga. Taya malahena satosopa sasha. Samayana niara walakendira satorusho maleana naki. Kietor sobaleanda sabaleanda raso palosho. Amaloyana nako lakati sabaleanda rasi. Setosi beleanda rago shia baleana kilesa. So mi satosona. So we, the emissaries of the Light Collective, are here to breathe the sound of color into your life, to give you new breath, new clarity, new understanding, support, love, guidance. Siaposhuniasa, we are your families. Miasotosi mielasa tashi. Sipaleana mawa katesha. We are the songs of the dimensions and the sounds of the soul. All souls, all souls. Miatosa miawaka. Epaleantikia tashanaiwa. Nikaya nasho. Mianoya niamalasa tasi. Be gentle with your strength. And quiet in your convictions. For you breathe and walk your truth. As you begin to speak the sounds of your soul, Miasotoshmia la kayana. Miakotasi halambi. Alagdera sanira sanaka. Shamiba yanavaro kayana satasha. For the greatest power is in the lightest touch. And as you open these chakras and sing the songs of your soul, loud and clear and proud as the rooster, as this new red rooster year celebration says to sing your truth. Declare who you are through your creativity. You do not need to scream to be heard. You just need to be open. Open your soul. Open yourself. and you will be heard. For a whisper is louder than screaming. Timila satashia kata. Mia sono ya kwala kate. Ekata sani wala. Pashia wako. Seni wala satasi. Mi sono shopola sataki. Timia wakani. Eshaka. Setu isani. Pelane ya mera. Etilani mayana. Ekashi kata seta ne malato. Pita shiawa ala setu. Shiama kola satasi. Miato ya samisa. You are here for the final healing. Miato samilasana. Allow yourself to raise your vibration. Allow yourself to transfer into the parallel reality in that which you desire as you walk into the fifth dimension. Siamolakena palaseta katorshi enora katesa. Miatoya maikoa. In this age of Aquarius, you will now understand. Miatosi mialakatishana. Miatosi bikiashani bayakala niema shoya. Miatosi kia. Ematasi tata nema varakatishana. We are one with you in this now, in this way, in this perfect moment, as you breathe in the sounds of color. Miasatoshi miawakala senia satasi. And engage and interact with the languages, the lights, as they help you speak your truth, the songs of your souls. Maya nakia shinodua. Piatosaniakua. And we are one with you, beautiful souls. We are one. Nia satashnia. Kahala